Let's see what's in this hole, people. Let's see. Oh God! Mercy! Good morning, my beautiful people. How you all doing? Man, this morning I'm going on a road trip. I want you guys to just tag along with me and see where I'm going. I'm going to look for a dear friend. She's sick, and I'm going to look for her. Maybe my present, maybe help her to heal. So, I don't know. I'm just going to look for her. In time like this, we have to, spend time with each other, care for each other and all of that. So, you guys follow me on the journey, alright? Thank you. Yeah, I'm on my journey now. Going to see my friend, alright? Going. Yes, my beautiful people. I want to talk to you about a little about my YouTube channel. Alright? Yes, my beautiful people, yeah. I was saying to you earlier, reason why I start my YouTube channel. Because I have a passion for cooking, I love to cook. Yeah, and I want to showcase my Jamaican, my Jamaican way of cooking, that people can gravitate it. Because, a lot of people all over the world love Jamaican foods, And many people out there cannot cook either because they go on YouTube and watch video and they can maybe get something from your video and try to cook, And I think everybody should learn to cook, you know what I mean? That's the basic. Yeah. Yeah, man, I like to help people, in every way I can. So I showcase my cooking, maybe they can get something from it, learn something from it, Even though I'm a young YouTuber, but I really love everything what I do. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm on my journey, man. Eyes on the camera, eyes on the road. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. I just love my culture, My culture, I just like to do things that my culture did. Because remember one time when we were growing up as a youth, growing up and my mom cooking and all that stuff, we don't see those food again. Those food is not here in the world again. You understand? Mother used to cook sometime run down, them days, nice food, nice sweet food, Nice rundown with some salt mackerel or, some stewed peas with chicken foot. Them something, you know what I mean? Them used to keep like all. My father was a farmer, So, my father have people work for him and things like that. So, them have to cook food and so forth. My mom have to cook food and things. And, yeah, cook food and carry a bush and get the men them were working, Yeah, some classical food, man. Nice. Sometimes I cook rice and peas, but some real coconut juice in the rice and peas. Nice. You don't have to use the meat, eat them food there. And then never have no about meat them time there. Like that. Because we couldn't afford meat like that. So mostly vegetables, I mean, I tell us well prepared. Nice. When you hear about work in a bush, man, can't wait for the day to come for you to go. Because you know there's some nice food you'll get, you know? That's how it come on. You know, my son and my father like a boil soup, a bush, and they use cocoa leaf and all them something, cocoa heart, and the soup. And I say, man, you know, so them something they could eat. Some natural stuff, you know? Yeah, man, I miss my father still, you know? Passed away a couple of years ago. I miss my father, you know? I miss my mom too. My mom passed away about a year ago, and, you know? I miss them a lot, because sometimes, you know, sometimes you have some things going on in the head and I like to talk to somebody, and, you know? Best person to talk to your mom or your father, you know, or a good family member, but, you know? You can have more confidence in your mom or your father to how you grow with them, you know? And them understand, you know? Yeah, a lot of things I like to ask my father about, you know? Pass off, so I would just want to hold it, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, my people. Yeah, the reason why I'm showcasing my Jamaican food, you know, is just because I love doing it, and I want to build something for myself, you know? Something for myself where I really love to do and showcase it, and that is cooking. I love that, you know. I want to be a better person, you know. And sometimes you're working, and you can't achieve nothing, you can't see nothing out of life, you know. So when you have something for yourself doing, you know, it shows more growth in what you're doing, you know. All you have to do is put more time and effort in it, and you get the result in the end, you know. Yeah. Yes, my people, as I say, you know, everyone can own a YouTube channel, you know. Everyone's supposed to can own a YouTube channel. I encourage everyone to start a YouTube channel, because it's something where can help your life, you know. So no matter, sometimes it's difficult. Sometimes you do a video and you don't get a lot of views for it, but just keep on persistent and try it. One day it will take off. I don't give up, even though I don't reach where I'm supposed to be as yet, but I'm still trying. I'm not stopping, alright? Sometimes it's hard for me to do videos sometimes, but I'm still trying. And sometimes I'm very busy, but I'm still trying to do the best I can. So what I'm saying? So all the people, everybody in the world, if them can able to start a YouTube channel, to be good. That is something for yourself, you know. And you can make a fortune out of it. You can make a living out of it. You understand? Yeah, so even though I'm not that perfect, I'm still using my phone to do my video, you know. But I encourage everyone to do it. Start from somewhere. You have to start from somewhere, you know. And sometimes you ask for help from the big YouTuber them, and them don't look at you. I tried it already. First thing them need is money to help you to do something. If I know YouTube like that, anybody could have reached out to me and said, what can I do to do this, and I will explain it. I don't need no money from no one. That's how I am. You understand? I would like to help everyone, even though I'm not that brilliant, but I can help myself a little. Yeah. So many people, push out on yourself, man. I can't do it. Maybe hard not the first, but it's when you continue to do it, you're going to love it. Even sometimes you get some nice menu and try it and it work out, wow. You feel good in yourself, people. That's good. Alright? Yeah. Yes, my people, as I say, I encourage everyone to do a YouTube. I know I was shy. I am shy, no. You know, but this YouTube channel inspired me to grow. I able to move fear out of my life. You know? So that I'm telling you guys that you can do it too. If I can do it, you can do it. I don't think nobody fear like me. I full a lot of fear, no fear of the devil, but I'm trying to overcome it. So you just try it, alright? guys, just stop to get some gas at the gas station. Okay? Alright. Gas is in it. Use my car and get some gas. On the journey now, people. Yes, guys, almost reached to my friend. Saying we're gonna stop the video here, so I don't want to put her in the video. All right? Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe. All right? Thank you all for watching. Thank you. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm in a hotel right now. I stopped in a hotel because I couldn't make it back home the same day. So I'm in a hotel. I'm going down for breakfast now. I'm upstairs going down for breakfast. So sorry I didn't give you a hotel tour still, but you know, it's just like that. I'm going down for breakfast, alright? You follow me. Okay? We are go this way. Yes, my people, see there. This is a passageway. I'm walking. I'm gonna take the elevator to go downstairs to get breakfast in the morning here. Checking out by 11. Yeah, to take on the road again. Alright. Yeah, this is the elevator. I'm going in. I'm at ground floor now. Yeah. Guys, I'm making a waffle. Guys, I reached back to my room, so I'm gonna set up my plate now. I have a ripe banana here with the muffin and everything, and I have my tea here, and I have my waffle. I put some just now butter here also. This is my ripe banana. Put it in my waffle. That's my me night. That's the waffle. Guys, after breakfast, on my way home, I discover this park and I make a stop. So please follow me on the journey, alright? Yeah, nice man. Oh, yeah, nice. É, porque na segunda-feira não vai ter quarta. Actually gonna sit down and just go down the street. Start yourself going down. Guys, I'm at the Kelly's Park. Although I didn't come prepared, but I'm here. But I'm gonna walk around this park and show you guys whatever I can capture, right? The water is beautiful. Maybe, if my mind tells me I will go in the water, okay? Watch me. Let's see what's in this hole, people. Let's see. Oh God! Mercy! Wow! Right in the front. Oh God! Nice and quiet, people. Nice and quiet. This is nature at its best. Yeah. Peace and quiet, calm, relaxing, you know. No, my sec. I lay that front to the table. So you need shoe? Bring it here. I'm just giving you a tour around the park. Alright? Watching wildlife can be a lot of fun. Hey, my beautiful people, this is really nice, you know. You have to take time out sometime and enjoy yourself. You see it? I'm on a set, come on. Up on a hiking trail right now. Walking. A lot of nature, you know. So that's how the thing go. So sometimes you have to just take time out and free your mind and just get yourself free up. Because sometimes you have a lot of stress and all them things. And the thing are good for the stress, you know. In the nature, you know. Yeah, man. Just go and follow me on the journey, alright? Hiking trail. Anything capture you guys will see it, alright? Is what I love, nature. It's all about nature. Didn't kind of gears to swim, I would be in the water by now. Didn't carry gears to swim, in the water by now because I love water, you know. I fish. I miss the fish, don't get it wrong, you know. Fish just swim. You understand? I would be like, yeah, that's... Yeah. A lot of fishing in the water, you know.
Now look, this fish over here. Look! Look how big these are.
See, we have a lot of firm here. In Jamaica, we chop down this fern. We don't know the use of it. In Jamaica, we chop down this fern. We don't know the use of it. And look here, the beauty of it. Yeah? People take it, make flowers. That's me. Yeah. Please subscribe, you know. Please subscribe. You see me? Like that. Come along. Safe still. I think never safe them wouldn't let it open like this, you see? Safe for you to walk. Down in the car.
One leads to death, and one also leads to death.
Other one, Kelly? Next time around, we more prepare and get it up to date for you guys, alright? Like, share, and subscribe, alright? Thank you all for watching.